Alrighty, so we're at Dead Horse Point State Park in Utah. It's right up in the Canyonlands area, and we are at an overlook looking out. That's LaSalle Mountain, and lo and behold, we found the ponds. Aren't they cool? It's real similar to Canyonlands here, where there's just vast amounts of canyon where the Green River, Colorado cut through. I believe that's probably, it looks smaller, so it might be the Green. I'm not really sure. I haven't looked at a map to see exactly where we're at. You can see down there, there's Schaefer Road that I talked about in a post the other morning. Oh, you can see a little car down there.
Might be a big car, you never know.
Yeah, could be a big car. It does look tiny. It was too rough for us to ride on. That's probably rent a Jeep or rent a dune buggy or something like that down in town if you're going to take that one. Unless you have, a truck that's set up for it. We're just not. Like I said, I still got to pull my camper all the way back home. So I'm not going to go down there and rattle it apart. So,
Tom wouldn't like that.
Yeah, but this place is pretty cool. I think it has. Oh, look at that rock there on the edge.
Just saw it.
Yeah.
It's so close to falling. It's unbelievable. I wish it would fall right now. Fall now. All right, so we're on the other side of the road now, on what is called the West Rim Trail. I guess it runs all the way around this rim right here. And you can see the river there. It has a horseshoe bend out here. There's that car down there. I don't know if you can see him or not. It looks like an ant crawling across the floor. In the river, and it must be out, we must be on the point where the bend is. We'll have to look when we get out there a little bit farther. There's a golf ball down there for some unknown reason.
Where?
Right down there. I see it. And again, it's just another huge cavern. And there's the Schaefer Road going on up through the middle of it all. And that'll take you all the way up in the Canyonlands. What was that called? Eye in the Sky?
Yeah,
Island in the Sky Visitor Center is where that road goes up to, I believe. So that's probably Canyonlands we're looking at way out there in the distance. And this is Dead Horse Point State Park, Utah. Pretty awesome. So this is the East Rim Trail. Oh, and there's the big bend in the river. No, we had heard about. It's kind of like the bend out there in Page. Not quite as dramatic, I guess.
I wasn't reading it anyway.
But, you know,
It affected me like
still there. Very cool. You see, oh, there's a bunch of dune buggies out there on the road. way out there in the distance. You can probably see a little bit of the dust cloud.
I didn't even know.
Dead Horse Point State Park, Utah.